Welcome DIY Glamettes, and if you're returning, welcome back. Now today's video is a glam high-end DIY. I'm going to be using bling wrap, flower mesh, and total dazzle brooches. If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching, but make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this DIY project started. Now I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree stemless wine glasses, my Dollar Tree Hurricanes, and also that Miracle silver metallic spray paint. And you guys, I actually painted the outside of these pieces because when you spray paint the inside with this particular paint, it gives it a dull look. But a useful tip, I wouldn't paint the outside because it peels too much. I'm also using my flower mesh, my bling wrap, and my gems. Now I'm just gluing down or adding glue to this flower mesh, and I'm going to layer it on the top, and this is actually going to be a silver and a rose gold piece. So if you like rose gold, you're gonna love this piece. To everyone, be mindful, I do have an upcoming wedding inspiration series. I'm going to be doing some pieces from one of my very close friends' wedding, so be on the lookout for that. Now as we continue through this DIY, I'll come back and give you some more information. Now to cut this, the way I cut this, you guys, I always use a odd number for the rows, and you just make that middle row, whether it's 5, 7, 9, or whatever your odd number is, that is the peak, and you just cut one bling wrap at a time, making sure that you do not cut the string that's attached to the next row of that bling wrap. Now this is what it's looking like, you guys. And two, make sure you follow me along because I'm still having issues with my voice going and coming, and they can't figure out why. So for the sake of keeping my voice before it completely goes, I'll just jump in periodically. And two, family, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you do so. All of my social media links are always down in my description. And please don't ever forget, everyone, that it's always some very useful information down in that description box. I always have my affiliate links listed and my discount codes. It never costs you to purchase from my affiliate links. I'll just receive a small commission if you do. And more often than not, you'll actually get a discount for purchasing through my affiliate links. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY yet, please go ahead and do so now. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell twice, it'll turn blue, then you'll know every single time that I do upload a video. And here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam home decor DIYs and a few renovations as well. Alright, now if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you do subscribe. Also share the channel with your family and friends. We truly do appreciate it. I'm getting ready to complete this DIY, you guys. I'm going to glue down this last strip of bling wrap, and I'm going to actually add one of those Total Dazzled rose gold brooches. Make sure you do check my link for bead part information along with Total Dazzle. And yet, once again, I do hope you enjoyed this DIY. Drop me a comment if it's one of your favorites. Also, leave me a comment what you'd like to see me try. Now, if you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you do so now. Also, subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor to see these pieces style, Glam Queen unboxing, and Glam Queen vlogs. Alright, now if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.